friends, let's check out the Xiaomi 14. Good day, you beautiful people. Welcome to LAZADA's Tech, where we do tech in your life in style. Today's video is all about the Xiaomi 14. Now, this phone just launched at MWC alongside the Xiaomi 14 Ultra, so it's been confirmed that this phone is going global. In this video, we're going to be unboxing it. We're going to check out what new features there are with this phone. We're also going to be doing a camera tour and some sample shots. Let's go. So what is the big deal about the Xiaomi 14? First of all, this thing features a triple 50 megapixel rear camera setup. And of course, the cameras are co-engineered with Leica, and this thing reps a Leica Summilux lens. Supposedly, this means better low-light performance for this phone's camera. This thing also features a new sensor, and all this talk about the floating telephoto camera on here. All that means is a new camera design that allows for a bigger focus range for your telephoto shooter. Of course, the Xiaomi 14 now reps Xiaomi's Hyper OS. It's powered by a Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 and a 4,610 mAh battery with 90-watt charging. Right, let's take a closer look at this phone. Most notable on the Xiaomi 14 are the flat edges. I don't know, this phone feels a little boxy, though it also does have a nice premium feel to it. On the back, we get that camera module. It's quite a big box in there, and it does have that triple 50 megapixel camera setup, and of course some Leica branding, and of course that's still a camera bump. Around that camera bump, you get this textured detail, which I think is a nice classy little touch. I really like this nice white clean color. It sort of looks and feels like porcelain. It can get, however, a little smudgy. Again, we're getting flat sides, so on the right you get a volume rocker, your unlock button. At the bottom you get your SIM tray, USB-C charging, and some speakers. The other two sides are also pretty clean. Now, these bumpers are silver, so you get also that very clean look. I will say though that I am a fan of a little bit more curved edges. I know that this year the trend is that we get flat sides on phones, and this comment is not only directed at the Xiaomi 14 but every other phone I've seen that have launched with these flat sides. I just really like the curved edges better because I have tinier hands and they just sit more comfortably in my hands. That being said though, this is, like I mentioned, a pretty clean look for a phone. Camera tour time, and of course you have Leica cameras on here, and you can switch between Leica Vibrant, Leica Authentic. Let's go back to Vibrant, and then you have wide 1x, 2x, 3.2x up until, ooh, this is zooming in far. Whoa, wait, it's still going. How far can this zoom? That's crazy. Wait, 60x, and that is like the tiny logo on the back of the phone. That's crazy, because then this is my camera, which is behind me. Look at that. And then back to wide, you have your different filters on here. You also have beauty filters that you can toggle intensity here. You have your Google Lens. This gives you all the different settings for your camera. Let's turn AI. There's also super macro mode, your voice shutter, motion tracking, watermark, and this of course gives you a Leica watermark. On the right, you have your portrait, and as you can see, my background already blurred. You can adjust your portrait mode intensity, and this is under standard. You have 35 mm, 50 mm, 75 mm, and 90 mm soft focus. We've seen this before in previous Xiaomi Leica phones. And then can you zoom in or out? Not through here, but there is a little button here with a little bust. If you tap it, you get a whole body. And then that's how you zoom in or out on portrait mode. You cannot zoom anywhere in between. And then here you get your beauty filters and your different filters. On the right, you get a documents mode, which is always useful. And then under more, you have a night mode, a 50 megapixel mode, panorama, short film, slow motion, time lapse, long exposure, super moon, and of course a director mode. And this allows you to sort of switch between shots. You have a multicam setup. You can do a monitor setup, pretty cool. And then on the other side, you have of course video, and you can shoot 4K or 8K on here. On 8K, you can shoot 24 FPS, and then on 4K, you can do 24, 30, or 60. You also have a steady video mode, and you press that, you get 1080p. Same as steady video pro mode. You also have a really cool teleprompter mode, so that's always useful, especially for creators. And then you have your different filters and effects here. You have a separate movie mode as well. You have a pro photo. Wait, what is the movie mode for? Ooh, there's even focus tracking. That's pretty cool. EV, aperture. Ooh, different aperture set. Oh, this is the portrait video mode. See, if I like toggle this, you'll get a blurred background. That's pretty cool. And then you have a pro mode, and this works for photos or videos. And now on to the selfie stuff. Of course, you don't have a selfie option on movie. On video, hello, wait, let's fix this framing. On video, front-facing camera, you can do 4K or 1080p. 4K does 60 or 30 FPS. You also have a teleprompter mode and a frontal sound mode, which is pretty cool. You also get your bokeh on front-facing video, beautify mode, and filters. Can you zoom in or out? No, you cannot. On photos, can I zoom in or out? Wait, I can on photos. That's pretty cool. And then, of course, you have your more detailed beautify filters, and then other filters as well. And then you get that portrait mode. Look at that bokeh, and that allows you to toggle intensity, and also a beautify mode with different filters. Now that we have that covered, time for some samples. And that was the Xiaomi 14. Of course, it's just our first look, so let me know if there's anything else you'd like to see me do with this phone. If you want to see me do a camera vlog test or a social media test, comment down below. As usual, all details I have on pricing and availability will be down in the description box below. That's it for today. If you want to see how I use my tech on a daily basis, find me online. That's isadoes_ on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Till next time.